Using Pictures folder. Windows 10 provides Pictures folder to store images and photos. Follow the given steps to use the Pictures folder. Step 1. Click on Start button. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click on the This PC option under Windows System folder. Step 3. Select Pictures folder from the left pane. The pictures in the folder are displayed. Picture folder provides many commands under following tabs. 1. Home tab. A. Clipboard group has Cut, Copy, Paste command. B. Organize group has Move to, Copy to, Delete, Rename command. C. New group has New folder command to create new folder in the Pictures folder. 2. Share tab. A. Send group has Share, Email, Zip command that help to share your pictures with other people on the same network. 1. Share. It chooses an app to share the selected file. 2. Email. It sends the selected item in an email. Files are sent as attachments and folders are sent as links. 3. Zip. It creates a compressed zip folder that contains the selected items. 3. View tab. A. Panes group has the following commands. 1. Navigation pane. It is to choose what to display in the navigation pane. 2. Preview pane. It is to show or hide the preview pane. 3. Details pane. It is to show or hide the details pane. B. Layout group. It allows you to choose from various icon sizes for displaying files and folders. C. Current view group. It sorts the item in this view according to name, date, type, size, etc. D. Show/hide group. It allows you to show and hide extensions of files, item checkboxes and hidden items.